say your name. And
My name's Dan Powell. I used to work for the school department. When this was built, me and Mark Lumber, my old boss, electrical boss, we wired this.
oh, thank.
You know, here we are on Hopkinton Common. This is really the sort of an end of an era and the start of a new one. And I think the gazebo now really represents the true spirit of Hopkinton volunteerism. The gazebo was originally built 20 years ago on sheer volunteer talent, and the new gazebo will be torn down and rebuilt with the same kind of spirit. Companies and people like Tom McIntyre Loam, Western Nurseries have shown up. We're trying to save the shrubs. We've got actually some use for some of the ballasts off of the gazebo. So we're trying to do everything we can to be respectful of the work that was done in the past and with an eye towards the future.